Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Find X5 Lite, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search pool we should enter green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this first application. That's why just tap to install and then just wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Now just let's tap to open the app, click enable in settings, and near green Apple keyboard let's tap on the switcher, tap to activate and go back. Now click to switch input methods and switch currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Okay. Now the process is finished, and let's go to the app search, for example, to see the new look of our device keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of these emojis. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.